Hello from ThermalTake HQ. I'm Eric and I'm with the ever popular Meka G1 mechanical keyboard. This is a keyboard that is used by many pro gamers around the world, including people like Alexei, White Raw, Krupnik, and Softball, among others. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and unbox it and let you have a look at what's inside. So the first thing that'll stand out to you about looking at this keyboard is that it's a very simple keyboard. It has just a standard keyboard layout, and everything that meets the eye here when you see it is what you get. However, one special thing that comes with a lot of keyboards is the mechanical switch, and this is especially tailored toward gamers of all kinds, whether it be RPG or FPS or MMO, because what happens with the mechanical switches is they're instantly responsive and they're very springy, so you get a lot of feedback when you press them. This particular keyboard comes with a cherry black MX switch, which is designed to be linear and have quite a bit of resistance, so you definitely feel when you're pressing the key. It's not clicky like some other keyboards, which would have something like a blue or a brown switch. It's very clean sounding and not too annoying if you're in the house with, say, your wife and kids or something like that. And also, it has a very thick military-grade cable. Some of the complaints about this keyboard in the past have been that this keyboard, the keyboard cable has been too short. So in the newer editions of the G1, it's had added length for more support on gaming desktops that are a little bit farther away, or you have to route the keyboard cable underneath the desk to reach the back of the desktop. So it's had increased length in the newer version. And also it comes with two USB 2.0 ports and audio ports on the back. So when you want to use the keyboard on your desk, but you just want to plug the mouse in or a USB headset or something like that, you can do so on the desktop itself through the back of the keyboard. And it also comes with a optional wrist rest. This is for people that want a little bit more support on their wrist when they're gaming. And that just snaps right on. And it's got the updated Battle Dragon logo from TT eSPORTS as well on this. Because the Meka G1 is a simplified layout of a keyboard, the included media keys are mapped to the F1 through F7 keys. So it has your stop and playback and volume up, volume down, mute, and things like that. And the way you activate them is through hitting the function key here, which has replaced the left Windows key. And you can hit that key and then F1, F2, and so on and so forth to access the media keys on this keyboard. So with most mechanical keyboards, the Meka G1 has a 1000 Hertz polling rate. That's the speed at which the keyboard communicates with the computer. So that'll increase your response time. And it also has a full N key rollover. That means that you can hit any number of combination of keys on the keyboard and it will register each keystroke. And for added comfort, we've added a contour to this mechanical keyboard, which makes it a little bit easier to type and game on when you're reaching across with your fingers. And each key has a slight dip in the keys, so it's contoured as well. So it's a very comfortable keyboard to use. So if you're looking for a simple design with a comfortable feel, used by casual players and professional gamers alike, definitely check out the Meka G1 by TT eSPORTS.